do some animal charades. Okay, so I'm going to choose a charade or an animal card, and then you're going to guess what it is. Okay, here we go. Yes! It's a kangaroo. Good job, everybody. Okay, let's do another one. I'm going to try not to talk. Charades is a quiet game. All right, here's another one. Ready? What do you think? Fish? You got it. It's a fish. All right, another one. Oh, this is a good one. Here we go. Yes, it's a duck. I really wanted to quack, but I was trying to hold back. Quack, quack, says the duck. All right, let's try another one. Oh, I almost showed it to you. All right, I'm going to make this sound to help you out, mainly to help me out. Oink, oink. Yeah, it's a pig. Do you know pigs are really smart? They're like the 3rd smartest animal in the world. It's pretty cool, huh? All right. Oh, this is a good one. Ready? Yeah, it's a snake. Goes the snake. All right. Here we go. Do you know? Yeah, a crocodile or an alligator. Okay, this one's going to be a little tricky. You're going to have to watch me. I'm going to go down for a minute. A crab. That's my sea crab. All right. Oh, I'm already down here. You remember that one from the other day? Yeah, a monkey or a gorilla. Good job. Okay. Nay! Yeah, it's a horse. Hear that gallop sound? I love that sound. Okay. Yes, a little frog. You're right. And oh, it's a mouse. You're right. Good job. And the last one. Yes, you guys, it's a bird. You did such a great job with charades.